Have you ever wondered how much it costs to operate a farm on a truly massive scale? Modern agriculture doesn't just rely on hard work and land. It depends on machines that are engineering marvels, capable of harvesting hundreds of acres in a single day. From colossal tractors to next-generation combine harvesters, some farm equipment carries price tags of over $1 million. These machines are built for efficiency, precision, and durability, designed to handle extreme workloads while saving time and labor. In this video, we're going to explore the top 12 most expensive farm machines ever built, what makes them so powerful, and why mega farms depend on these industrial titans to meet the world's growing food demands. 1. John Deere 9RX 830. Tracked Articulated Tractor. The John Deere 9RX 830 is one of the most powerful tractors in the world, with a retail cost exceeding $1.2 million. This massive machine features 913 peak horsepower and AI-driven steering, allowing it to operate enormous air seeders with incredible precision. Its independent quad-track system distributes weight evenly, reducing soil compaction while providing exceptional traction across all terrains. Farmers can work larger fields in less time, increasing efficiency while minimizing damage to the land. With integrated GPS and telematics, operators can monitor and adjust performance in real time, ensuring optimal fuel use, planning accuracy, and safety. The 9RX 830 demonstrates how modern engineering transforms traditional agriculture into a high-tech operation. 2. New Holland CR11 Next Generation Combine Harvester. The New Holland CR11 is a 775 horsepower combine harvester costing over $1.2 million. Equipped with a twin rotor system, it can process over 100 tons of wheat per hour. Its sheer capacity allows farmers to complete harvests in record time, reducing crop losses from storms or unexpected weather changes. The CR11 combines mechanical power with precision sensors that monitor grain moisture and yield, ensuring maximum quality and output. Automation features reduce operator fatigue while maintaining consistent harvesting performance. For mega farms, a machine like the CR11 can replace multiple smaller harvesters, cutting labor costs and increasing operational efficiency across vast fields. 3. John Deere X9 1100 Dual Rotary Combine. The John Deere X9 1100 is priced at over $1 million and features a dual distribution harvesting system. Capable of handling up to 30 acres per hour, it maintains grain losses below 1%, a critical metric for maximizing profitability. The X9 1100's advanced electronics allow operators to track performance, adjust rotor speeds, and fine-tune threshing settings in real time. Its large-capacity grain tank reduces downtime, while the cab offers ergonomic comfort for long shifts. Farms using the X9 1100 gain not only efficiency, but also precision, reducing waste and ensuring optimal use of every acre. The X9 1100 exemplifies how modern combines blend power, technology, and scale. 4. Tribene T1000 Harvester Carrier Hybrid. The Tribene T1000 is a unique machine costing around $850,000 that combines a high-capacity harvester with a built-in 1,000 bushel grain cart. This hybrid design allows operators to harvest and transport grain simultaneously, reducing downtime and streamlining logistics. Its articulated frame provides maneuverability across uneven terrain, while advanced sensors ensure even threshing and minimal crop loss. The Tribene T1000 is ideal for mega farms that require speed, capacity, and operational efficiency. By combining harvesting and transporting into one machine, farmers reduce labor costs, fuel consumption, and equipment wear, showcasing the benefits of integrated engineering in modern agriculture. 5. New Holland T9.700 Heavy-Duty Articulated Tractor. The New Holland T9.700 is a $750,000 behemoth built for heavy-duty farming. Its 1,000 gallon per minute hydraulic capacity and custom PLM intelligence software allow it to handle massive implements, from plows to seeders, with remarkable precision. This tractor operates efficiently across vast acreage while maintaining control over terrain, soil, and crop conditions, making it indispensable for mega farms. The T9.700's design focuses on maximizing productivity, reducing the number of machines and operators required for large-scale operations. Its hydraulic and mechanical systems are engineered for continuous high-load performance, emphasizing reliability and durability. Integrated telemetry and GPS technology allow operators to optimize fuel use, monitor implement performance in real time, and make data-driven adjustments, further enhancing efficiency. By combining immense power with cutting-edge technology and operational flexibility, the T9.700 demonstrates how modern tractors meet the demanding scale and precision required for contemporary industrial agriculture. 6. Case IH Steiger 620 Quad Track. The Case IH Steiger 620 Quad Track is a $650,000 track tractor designed for extreme torque and multi-surface performance, making it a top choice for mega farms across the United States. Its continuous 4-point track system allows the tractor to distribute weight evenly, minimizing soil compaction while pulling extremely heavy row crop implements, such as planters, plows, and cultivators. This makes large-scale planting, fertilizing, and tilling more efficient, ensuring that fields are prepared optimally for maximum yield. Stability and power are key to its design, allowing operators to maintain speed and control even in wet, uneven, or soft soil conditions that would challenge conventional wheeled tractors. Advanced telemetry and GPS-guided automation are integral to the Steiger 620, enabling real-time monitoring of performance metrics, fuel consumption, and implement function. These features reduce operator error, improve precision, and allow large-scale fields, often thousands of acres, to be managed with fewer personnel and less downtime. The tractor's onboard systems can adjust implement depth, hydraulic flow, and torque automatically, optimizing field efficiency and protecting both crops and soil. Additionally, the Steiger 620 is designed for durability, with reinforced chassis components and track systems capable of handling continuous heavy workloads year after year. Mega farms rely on this machine not just for its raw horsepower, but for its ability to increase operational efficiency, reduce labor costs, and maintain consistent, high-quality results across vast acreages. By combining strength, technology, and endurance, the Steiger 620 exemplifies modern industrial farming machinery at its finest, representing the future of high-volume, precision agriculture. 7. Fen 1167 Vario Mount. The Fen 1167 Vario Mount is a stepless track tractor valued at around $700,000, making it one of the most advanced and powerful tractors available for large-scale agricultural operations. Its variable drive transmission allows smooth, low RPM pulling, which reduces fuel consumption and wear on machinery, while enabling precise control over heavy implements. This feature is especially beneficial for mega farms, where long hours of continuous field work require both efficiency and reliability. The heavy-duty tracks provide exceptional traction on uneven, wet, or soft soils, minimizing soil compaction and allowing operators to work in conditions that would challenge traditional wheel tractors. Onboard computer systems take efficiency to a new level by monitoring implement performance, soil conditions, fuel use, and operator productivity in real time. Operators can adjust settings on the fly to match terrain, crop type, and workload, ensuring maximum output while protecting both the land and machinery. GPS-guided auto steering and variable rate technology further improve planting, fertilization, and harvesting precision. The 1167 Vario Mount also incorporates advanced safety features, including rollover protection, automated braking, and integrated camera systems to monitor attachments, livestock, or field obstacles. Beyond raw power, the Fen 1167 Vario Mount demonstrates a shift in modern agriculture towards smart, data-driven farming. Farms using this machine report increased efficiency, reduced fuel and labor costs, and more consistent crop yields across thousands of acres. By integrating engineering innovation, environmental sustainability, and operational intelligence, the 1167 Vario Mount exemplifies how technology can transform traditional farming into a high-performance, large-scale enterprise. Its ability to operate under extreme conditions while maintaining precision and reliability makes it a cornerstone machine for contemporary industrial agriculture, bridging the gap between raw horsepower and modern precision farming. 8. Historical icon Big Bud 16V 747. Built in 1977 for $300,000, the Big Bud 16V 747 remains the largest standalone tractor ever constructed, now valued at over $1 million. With 1,100 horsepower, it was designed for extreme field work on massive farms. Its enormous size and durability allowed it to pull multiple plows and tillers simultaneously, cutting labor and time dramatically. Even today, it serves as a symbol of industrial-scale farming and engineering ingenuity. Collectors and large farms prize this tractor for its historical significance, raw power, and role in transforming modern agriculture. The Big Bud 16V 747 shows how innovation in tractor design has evolved to meet the demands of mega farms over decades. So, there you have it, the 8 most expensive and powerful farm machines ever built. From John Deere's 9RX 830 and X9 1100 combines to the Tribune T1000 hybrid and historic Big Bud 16V 747. These machines redefine what it means to farm at scale. Their combination of raw horsepower, advanced technology, and efficiency allows mega farms to feed millions while minimizing labor and operational costs. Modern agriculture relies on these industrial titans to maximize productivity, precision, and sustainability. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge agricultural engineering, mega machines, and industrial farming marvels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.